We're a country that loves our potatoes. We love them smashed, mashed, boiled, baked, fried, scalloped, even grilled. And no matter how many different ways we make them, we're always looking for new ideas. And we've come up with a good one. What we do is wash some baking potatoes, and after drying them, so they won't be slippery, we place them on a cutting board and we lay a couple of wooden spoons down each side. Like this. All right, I bet you're thinking, what the heck are those for? Check this out. What they do is act as a guide so we don't cut all the way through our potatoes. After making 8 to 10 slits on each potato, we brush them with some seasoned olive oil, and into the oven they go. And to make them really stand out, after they bake, we're going to spoon some bottled pesto over them. Look how these fanned out while they baked, thanks to our little wooden spoon trick. Between drizzling them with the pesto and finishing them off with some grated Parmesan, you can bet every bite will be packed with goodness. The recipe for our Pesto Spiral Potatoes is online now, and it's one of those dishes that is as weeknight friendly as it is company fancy. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a unique way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.